Hello everybody, this is Patty and welcome back to my kitchen. I am about to make some chicken tacos and I will tell you the ingredients that I have here. Red onions, green onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and this is olives. And I have my sauces here and the cheese sauce, sour cream, and these are the soft tortillas. And I am going to put the tortillas in the microwave to heat them up, and I will be putting the chicken strips in the air fryer. And the chicken strips are good. They're by Perdue. They're 100% natural ingredients, white meat, fully cooked, but I will put them in the air fryer, as I said, with no hormones or steroids added. So I've had these before. They're good. I like them. So this is what I will be using. Once I put it all together, I will come back and show you just what we have here. The setup, I have the chicken here that came out of the air fryer, and I'm going to place that in the shell. Get it in here right. And I cook these for about 12 minutes or so. You just cook them until they're done. That's all I can tell you. Okay. And let's see here. This one is in part. Put that, I don't want to drop it. And put the other piece right here. Okay, so here you have it. And next we will put in some of this. And I've shown you this with the tomato and the lettuce and the red onion. This is the finished product of the chicken tacos and all the fixings. This is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell to be reminded of uploads, and enjoy your day. I will talk to you on the next upcoming video. Bye.